If laundry keeps taking over chairs, floors, and closet corners, build this 5-pick setup instead. Quick answer. Sterilite is the easy default. Mind Reader hides the pile. Honey Can Do sorts it. Yamazaki suits small stylish spaces, and Azhido handles long laundry walks. No container fixes every mess. Choose for carrying, hiding, sorting, space, and upkeep. For most homes, get the Sterilite 1.25 Bushel Ultra HipHold laundry basket. Buy it if one container needs to handle dirty clothes, folded laundry, and full trips between rooms. Its roomy plastic body wipes clean easily, while the different grip positions make carrying a bigger load less awkward. That's the practical win. The curved side won't feel equally natural against every hip, and folded stacks won't sit as neatly. Skip it if you want a square-sided basket or need a lid to conceal laundry. When the problem is visible weekly laundry, choose the Mind Reader 50-liter laundry hamper. Buy it if you want a durable plastic place to stash clothes in a bedroom, bathroom, or closet, then carry it using the built-in handles. The lid gives the room a cleaner look without adding a complicated assembly job. But the textured woven-style exterior can hold on to dust, and the deeper shape is awkward for grabbing folded items. Skip it if airflow, tight height clearance, or storing folded clothes matters most. If wash day means separating piles anyway, the Honey Can Do SRT-01-235 heavy-duty triple laundry sorter earns its floor space. Buy it if you have a dedicated laundry area and prefer sorting clothes as they come off. Its 3 removable bags sit on a rolling steel frame, so you can separate loads early and move them with less lifting. The frame locks when you want it parked. Still, it needs basic assembly, occupies much more floor space, and each bag is smaller than one big basket. Skip it in cramped homes or for one mixed load. For lighter loads that stay out in the open, pick the Yamazaki Tosca steel wire laundry basket in large. Buy it if you live small, wash often, and don't want your basket looking like utility storage. The steel and wood design is presentable enough to leave visible, and its compact format suits smaller batches. It looks intentional. The trade-off is steep. It costs much more than plastic, holds less than a family basket, and the open wire base doesn't suit dripping items. Skip it for heavy household loads, wet towels, or a tight budget. For shared laundry rooms and laundromat trips, use the Azhido Laundry Backpack Bag. Buy it if you need both hands free while moving a large load across a building or several blocks. Its adjustable padded straps and storage pocket make transport more manageable than balancing a basket. It solves a different problem. A packed bag can get very heavy, and its enclosed shape isn't for leaving damp clothes inside for long stretches. Most homes will still need a basket or hamper for daily collection. Skip it if laundry never leaves your floor. Quick split. Everyday full loads go Sterilite. Hidden bedroom clutter goes Mind Reader. Built-in sorting goes Honey Can Do. Small visible spaces go Yamazaki. Long shared laundry trips go Azhido. Check the route before buying. Stairs, closet height, washer distance, and where damp clothes might sit. Leave room around rolling sorters. Wipe plastic containers when needed, and don't let any enclosed bag hold damp laundry for extended periods. If you're unsure, start with Sterilite for one affordable basket that handles most jobs. Go Mind Reader if hidden clutter bothers you more, Honey Can Do if sorting saves your wash day, Yamazaki for a visible small space basket, or Azhido for walking loads. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.